Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: a charged laptop, SSID and password, and an available network. First, power on and sign into your account. Make sure airplane mode is off. Next, click the network icon in the system tray or menu bar to view Wi-Fi lists. Select your network name, enter the password carefully, and press connect. Once done, confirm the connection status shows internet access. This initial connect step establishes your machine on the network. Now configure the connection so it works reliably. If possible, plug an Ethernet cable for a faster, lower latency link. Otherwise, choose the optimal Wi-Fi band 2, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Make sure your laptop obtains an IP via DHCP. Open network settings to confirm IP, gateway, and DNS are present. Once configured, test by opening a browser and loading a lightweight page. If the page loads slowly, restart. Finish by launching your browser, signing into accounts, and updating the operating system and antivirus to stay secure. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so future connections remain smooth. If you hit trouble, try the simplest fixes first. Reboot the laptop, toggle Wi-Fi off/on, and restart the router. If problems persist, run the built-in network troubleshooter or flush DNS. Note any error codes and your IP details before seeking further help. This sequence resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.